Hey y'all, this is going to be a very simple and quick tuna salad. I've already chopped up all my vegetables, celery, bell peppers, onion, diced tomatoes, pimentos are going to be in here. I mean, just a little bit of everything because I want this salad to be chunky. I have two large cans of albacore tuna. I only use albacore because it's flaky and white. So I poured a little lemon juice in there, Duke's mayonnaise. We're gonna do about 3 tablespoons of that. Um, this tuna is going to be chunky, chunky. I just didn't want a mashed up tuna. I wanted chunky. And y'all, my secret weapon is Dijon mustard. I don't use the regular mustard. Dijon mustard makes this tuna taste really good. And my pimentos, I love pimentos, so I used a whole large jar of pimentos in this salad because I want you to taste the vegetables in there, and I want you to taste the tuna. But I just like tuna, a nice chunky salad, especially if you're going to eat it with crackers and not make a tuna sandwich, and you're going to eat it with crackers. This salad is perfect for that. Enjoy.